And our Wowa gave us this really big doll house. It's Bluey's house. And thank you, Wowa, for the gift. Anyone else for the gift? And guys, ready to open? And open! Yes! Okay. So this is Bluey's home. I'll get out. Yes! Thank you. And these are the couches. Okay. Bluey's best friend. Okay. That's Bluey's best friend. This is Bluey's best friend. These. So this is the couch. And the bathtub. And the other couch. The table. Oh, the table. The chairs. The toilet. And this is a stairs. And this is the fridge that you can open. It has a yummy food. Oh, boy. So sweet. Okay. Put the couch over here. And the other couch over here. And then you put this table over here. Over here. I mean, you need to push it there. Mom, where's the washroom? Where's the washroom? Over here. Oh, I think this goes like over here. Like when this goes like that. It goes over here. And it goes over here. Wait, so the fridge goes over here. And the chairs over here. Wait, let me show them where the stairs goes over here at the front. The chair is goes right here in the kitchen. Hold on, they cannot see. I just want the table. Okay. So here you put on the stairs right over here. Front at the door. And the table is on the set. And you okay, I'll fix it. So, the toilet. You can even open the toilet. That's cool. And then here's the here, the bed. Here, the bed here. And this over here, I think. Let's go again. And then the chairs. And then the fridge goes over here. Okay. All done. Ooh. I need to go to sleep. I will do it. I got it.
Okay,
Are you sure? He doesn't know how to connect.
Oh, I didn't know. Okay.
So like this. Need to connect. So you need to connect it. There. Other.
There you go.
If you're done, you just do this.
Okay.
And if you want to play, you just put it down. There. I'll be Bluey. Okay, may I come in?
Yeah.
Okay.
What's my? What?
Okay, go inside.
Huh?
What's my? Wow! Look at the bed.
What's my family?
Look at the table.
Wow.
Wow.
And then,
I want to sit down because I'm tired of walking. I need to go take a bath. Okay.
That's my
the toilet. Let's check the fridge if we have food.
we have food.
So what I want some strawberries.
And banana.
Okay, close it. Put it back. And then dance.
I will dance, dance, dance with my hands.
Dance.
And up on my hands. And
Yay.
white and mother.
Elma.
Wow.
Wow.
Oh, wow. Look at that. Thank you again, Wowa, for all to stay at school. Yes. Bye. Bye. Bye.
Thank you for watching for our video. Please like and subscribe for our video. And goodbye.
Bye. Let's play.
Can you make it a video at the YouTube?
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Bye.